the dark into the light. We walk the path that you have made.
Back for me, oh Lord, when I face my pain. The world may reject me, but you remain. I walk through shadows, but you give me light. The living Lord, you make me strong to fight. My life belongs to you alone. Even when I sit in silence, you send a faithful tone. I feel it in my soul, that hope so deep. I stand on your grace, though the valley is steep.
And for me, oh Lord, your voice lifts me higher. In this dark world, you shine like fire. I stand in your name through every fight. Wrap for me, oh Lord, until the end of the night.
I was a man who only knew my pain, but your love came in and broke every chain. My future looked like a fallen plane, but you raised my life like a mountain again. I rose from the dirt, from the cries and loss. Then I found your truth at the foot of the cross. You said, don't be afraid, I am with you. So I rap and speak, because I know it's true. I know that every day is a battle within, and sorrow sometimes clings like sin. But Lord, you are seated on the throne. Your voice revives me, I'm never alone.
Wrap for me, oh Lord, when I am weak. When the world deceives me, you give the strength I seek. Your voice is the song I listen to each night. Your love reigns over me, pure and right.
I speak in the valleys, in places cold and deep. I sit with the hope that your promise keeps. Even if the world falls, still I will believe. Rap for me, oh Lord, and you I will never leave.
Oh Lord, I cry with my soul. My life is yours, you made me whole. In the winds, in the storms, through rejection and shame, I still stand because, oh Lord, you love me the same. Rap for me, oh Lord, I cry with my soul. My life is yours, you've made me whole. In the winds, in the storms, through rejection and shame, I still stand because, oh Lord, you love me the same. Oh Lord, I belong to you. You belong to me.